Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to bulk create YouTube Shorts using ChatGPT and Canva and Google Sheets. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So first thing to do is to think for a topic and then create the script. And to do that, go to ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can ask anything you want. So here, let's ask ChatGPT to create a list of 30 facts about the world. Put it in a table with two columns. In the first column, put the number of the fact, for example, fact 1, fact 2, and etc. In the second column, put the actual fact. And here, you'll see that it will give you a table. The first column is the fact number, and the second column is the actual fact. You can see this fact from 1 to 30. As you ask for this number. And there we have our 30 facts. What we have to do next is to copy this fact number together with the fact. After that, you can go to Google Sheets. All you have to do is to paste that text from ChatGPT. Click on Paste. And there we have our script from 1 to 30 together with the message. Now, as we have our script, all you have to do is to click on Done. And then, click on Save. Let's rename the document to World Facts. And then, let's also change the format to CSV. Then, click Save. Continue. After that, we can now go to Canva app. You can see the different templates here. For you, social media, videos, presentations, and many more. But for this video, we are going to find YouTube Shorts. Click on search box and then type for YouTube Shorts. Click on YouTube Shorts. And here you can see the different templates for YouTube Shorts. Let's find a template that fits in our video. Let's choose this one. But you can see that the background doesn't fit the world facts. So what are we going to do is to click this plus sign here below. And let's try to search for word. You can see the available templates here. But I don't see anything that fits in my video. Let's move on to the elements. Search for world. And here, let's try to use this picture of the earth. And there we have our background. Let's rotate it a little bit. And then adjust the size. Let's occupy the whole space. And now we're done. But we only need to use this one video. So what are we going to do is to delete this clip here. Click on delete. And we only have this clip here. And then, can you see this mountain here? You can click on that. I don't want this to be in my video, so you can click on delete. After that, you can now click on the plus sign below and then search for the apps. Click on that. And here, you can see this bulk create here. You can click on that. Add your data, upload data as a CSV file, or enter a table of data manually to quickly bulk create hundreds of pages. Let's click on Upload CSV. Click our file World's Facts. Connect data to your elements. There are 2 data fields identified on our document. And all you have to do is to click that fact 1, or that the Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun, to generate the video. We have 30 facts here, so there will be 30 videos on our YouTube Shorts. So we have here the fact number 1, the Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. Now, let's try to play the video. Fact number 1. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. Fact number 2. Mount Everest is the highest peak on the Earth. Fact number 3. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world. We have 30 facts and 30 videos. You can see your videos here from fact 1 to fact 30. You can download them one by one, or you can download them as a whole. If you're done editing the video, you can now save it and then post it as your YouTube Shorts. Bulk Create is the new feature on Canva Pro. With this feature, you can create a lot of videos in just minutes. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question on the video, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.